Good morning, student. Next, today we are going to discuss about the another chemical reactions of the diazonium salt. That is the first one. Previous class discuss about the preparation of the diazonium salt and diazonium salt reaction involving in two steps. That is the first one, reaction involving displacement of nitrogen, and the second one is the reaction involving retentions of diazo group. Reaction involving retentions of diazo group. In previous class, reaction involving displacement of nitrogen atom. But today we are going to discuss about the reaction involving retentions of diazo group or coupling reaction. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride. It is right that benzene bonding with N2 plus N triple bond N. It is right that N triple bond N or N2 plus Cl minus ion. That is also called as a diazonium salt or benzene diazonium chloride. Treated with the phenol. OH group adding with the benzene. That is also called as a phenol. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the phenol in the presence of OH minus base. Then here is the form of, here is the removal of H and Cl. That is also called as HCl. Next one, here is the N triple bond N. That is also called as a N double bond N. Addition with the, here is the benzene, N double bond N. Here is the benzene bond OH. That is also called as a para hydroxy. It is also called as OH group para position. Para hydroxy azobenzene. That is also existed the orange dye. That is also called as a coupling reaction. Here is the two compounds are coupling. That is also known as a coupling reaction. Here is the benzene diazonium chloride treated with the phenol. In this reaction, diazonium salt write that benzene bond N triple bond N. N2O. That is also called as a, here is the C6H5 N2 plus. It is right that benzene bond C6H5 and N double triple bond N. Next one is the Cl minus ion. Treated with the phenol, that is also called as a benzene bonding with the OH. Here is the phenol. Treated with the base, then here is the form of, here is the H and Cl. Then is the form of hydrochloric acid. Next one, here is the benzene bonding N double bond N. Next one the benzene. That is also called as a para hydroxy azobenzene. It exists the orange dye. In this reaction also called as a coupling reaction or involving retentions of azo groups, diazo groups, azo group of N double bond N. Next remaining another one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with the aniline. Here is the phenol, here is the aniline. Here is also called as a phenol. Next one, here is the phenol. Next one is here is the aniline. Benzene bonding with the NH2, that is also known as the aromatic primary amine. Treated with the benzene diazonium chloride or diazonium salt. Treated with the H plus acid, then here is the form of para amino. Here is the removal of HCl hydrochloric acid. Addition with the benzene, N double bond N. Next one is the amino benzene or aniline. It is also called as a para amino. NH2 function group, its position is the para position. Para amino azobenzene. It exists the yellow dye. This reaction is also called as a coupling reaction or reaction involving retentions of diazo group. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the phenol or aniline in the presence of OH or H plus, base or acid, then form of para hydroxy azobenzene. It exists the orange dye. Remaining second one, diazonium salt treated with the aniline in the presence of acid, then here is the form of para-amino azobenzene. That is also known as the retentions of diazo group. That is also known as a coupling reactions. Next one, third one is the cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanides and isocyanide. Cyanide function group is the CN, that is also called as a cyanide. Next one is the NC, also called as a isocyanide. Those functions group attached with the alkyl group, that is also known as R bond C triple bond N. Alkyl cyanides, alkyl isocyanide. R bond CN also called as a alkyl cyanide. R bond NC also called as a alkyl isocyanide. Here is the cyanide function group CN and isocyanide also called as a NC. Here is the cyanides and isocyanides. Here is the alkyl cyanides and alkyl isocyanides attached with the alkyl group. Alkyl are also known as the alkyl or methyl group. It existed methyl cyanides, ethyl cyanides or propyl cyanide. That is the name. Here is the cyanide Cn minus as unshared with the pair of electrons, both of ends. That is also known as a cyanides and isocyanides. Nomenclature. In alkyl cyanides or alkyl isocyanide named with the, here is the cyanide and alkyl. Is the alkyl cyanides. There is the cyanides nomenclature, it is also called as a nitrile. Here is the CN also called as a alkyl cyanides. Next, second suffix is also known as a nitriles. Cyanides are nitrile. Alkyl cyanides or alkyl nitriles. Alkyl nitriles. In this name of that, for example, CH3 bond CN. Alkyl group attached with the CN, it is also called as a methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide or acetonitrile. Next one, CH3 bond CH2 bond CN. Here is the 2 carbon atom attached with the CN. It is only 1 carbon atom, it is also called as a methyl. 2 carbons also called as a ethyl cyanide. Next one, here is the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, propyl nitrile, ethyl nitrile, ethyl cyanides, CN also common name, and IUPAC name also called as a propyl nitrile. Here is the common name is the methyl cyanide. IUPAC also known as a acetonitrile. Next one, CH3 taken to CH bond CN. It is right that here is the C bond CH3. Next one CH3 CH bond CN. Here is the isopropyl 1, 2, 3. Isopropyl cyanides. Next one. Here is the carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Isobutyl nitriles. Isopropyl cyanide also called as a common name. Isobutyl nitrile also called as a IUPAC name. Next one, CH2 double bond CH2. Vinyl cyanide. Next one, aryl nitriles. Next one, CH3CN also called as a methyl cyanide. CH3NC also called as a methyl isocyanides or methyl isonitriles. That is the nomenclatures. Cyanides and isocyanides attached with the methyl groups or aromatic groups, then it is also called as a methyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide, propyl cyanide. That is the nomenclature of the compounds. Next one, preparation of the cyanides and isocyanide. Here is the first one, CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl. It is right that also C2H5Cl. Due to the presence of 2 carbon atom, C2, CH2 CH3, H5, C2H5Cl, or from the preparation from alkyl halides. Halides also called as a chlorobromine iodine. That is also called as a 7th group elements. Ethyl chlorides, ethyl halide treated with the ethanolic potassium cyanide. Then here is the form of, here is the removal of KCl minus KCN. then form of CH3 bond CH2 bond CN, ethyl cyanide major product. Second one is the ethyl isocyanide, NC also called as ethyl isocyanide. Here is the ethyl chloride treated with the ethanolic potassium cyanide, then form of the two product. One is the major product of ethyl cyanides, second one is the ethyl isocyanide, that is the reaction of alkyl halides. Next one, here is the preparation of cyanides and isocyanide. Cyanides and isocyanide prepared from the alkyl halides, alkyl halide, that is the ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride treated with the ethanolic potassium cyanide, then form of ethyl cyanide major product, and the second one is the ethyl isocyanide, that is the minor product. That is the preparation of cyanides and isocyanide. And the second one, ethyl chloride treated with the ethanolic AgCN. Here is the ethanolic KCN, potassium cyanide, but here is the ethyl chloride, alkyl halide treated with the ethanolic AgCN, silver cyanide, then form of ethyl isocyanide, C2H5CN, ethyl isocyanide, that is also called as a major product. And the second one is the ethyl cyanide, that is also known as a minor product. Cyanides and isocyanide prepared from the alkyl halide, that is the ethyl chloride treated with the potassium cyanide or ethanolic AgCN, then here is the form of ethyl cyanide major product, second one is the ethyl isocyanide, that is the minor product. Remaining ethyl chloride, that is also known as the alkyl halide treated with the ethanolic AgCN, then form of ethyl isocyanide, second one is the ethyl cyanides, that is the preparation of cyanides and isocyanides. And the second one from amides and aldoxymes, amides and aldoxymes. Here is the amide, methanamide, CH3CONH2, here is the amide group. Amides treated with the benzene sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is also called as a reagents of Innsbruck reagent. Benzene sulfonyl chloride also called as a Innsbruck reagent. Amide treated with the Innsbruck reagent at 70 degrees temperature, then form of methyl cyanides and benzene sulfonic acid, that is the reaction of the amides and aldoxymes from the amides. Second one is the aldoxyme, second one aldoxyme. And the second one is the aldoxyme from reaction with the aldoxymes. Here is the aldoxymes. Aldoxymes, here is the aldoxyme. Aldoxyme, CH double bond NOH, that is also known as the aldoxyme. Here is the reaction with the aldoxymes treated with the acetic anhydride, then form of ethyl cyanides and acetic acid. Ethyl cyanides and acetic acid from the aldoxymes. And third one, isocyanide from the amines. Isocyanide from amines. Here is the aliphatic primary amine. R bond NH2 also known as a aliphatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine treated with the chloroform and potassium hydroxide, heated with the high temperature, then form of alkyl isocyanide. Here is the form of isocyanide. Primary amines, aliphatic primary amines treated with the chloroform, CHCl3 chloroform and potassium hydroxide, heated with the high temperature, then form of alkyl isocyanide and KCl plus H2O. That is the reaction of cyanides from the isocyanides from the amines. It is also RNH2 also known as a amine. Aliphatic primary amine treated with the chloroform and potassium hydroxide, then form of alkyl isocyanides. Next one, chemical reactions. Chemical reactions of the cyanides and isocyanide. First one is the hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means that the dissolve with the water molecule or combining with the water molecule. Here is the alkyl cyanide undergo with the hydrolysis process or dissolve with the water molecule. in the presence of hydronium ion or OH minus ion, then form of carboxylic acid and ammonia. Carboxylic acid and ammonia from the hydrolysis of cyanides and isocyanide. Here is the cyanide undergo hydrolysis or dissolve in the water molecule in the presence of hydronium ion or OH minus ion, then form of carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid and ammonia. R bond COH, that is also called as aliphatic carboxylic acid. Next one, alkyl isocyanide undergo hydrolysis process or alkyl isocyanide dissolve in the water molecule in the presence of hydronium ion, then form of primary amine. Aliphatic primary amines and formic acid is formed. That is the hydrolysis reaction. And the second one, addition of Grignard reagent. Addition of Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide, also called as a Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide, RMGX, also called as a alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide also called as a Grignard reagent. Here is the Grignard reagent addition with the alkyl cyanide. Addition with the alkyl cyanide, then form of intermediate compound. Intermediate compound. Then it is react with the hydronium ion, then form of the ketone. RC double bond OR, that is also called as a ketone. That is the addition of Grignard reagent. Alkyl cyanide treated with the Grignard reagent, then form of intermediate reaction, then intermediate reaction compound, addition with the hydronium ion or treated with the hydronium ion, then form of keto group. That is the addition of Grignard reagent reaction. Next one, third one, reduction. Reduction reaction. Alkyl cyanide treated with the lithium aluminum hydride. Alkyl cyanide treated with the lithium aluminum hydride, then form of primary amine. Then form of primary amine. Here is the addition with the hydrogen atom. Removal of oxygen atom. Here is the alkyl cyanide treated with the lithium aluminum hydride, then form of primary amine. Next one, alkyl isocyanide treated with the lithium aluminum hydride reagent, then form of secondary amine. Here is the primary amine, here is the secondary amine. Because of here is the NH function group bonding with the two alkyl groups, that is also called as a secondary amine. Next one, last one, oxidation reaction. Alkyl cyanide oxidizing with the mercury oxide. Mercury oxide, then form of alkyl isocyanate. Alkyl isocyanate, that is the reaction of oxidation reaction. That is the chemical reactions of the cyanides and isocyanate. First one is the hydrolysis process, and second one is the addition of Grignard reagent, and third one reduction process, and fourth one is the oxidation process. Next one, uses of cyanides and isocyanates. Uses of cyanides and isocyanates. The cyanides are important compound. Cyanides are important compounds in the intermediate in multi-step synthesis and in the laboratory. Multi-step synthesis in the laboratory. Here is the cyanides and alkyls, isocyanates. Major important intermediate in multi-step synthesis in the laboratory. Next, another one, millions of the pounds of the acryl nitrile, that is also known as a acryl nitrile, millions of the pounds of acryl nitriles or vinyl cyanide, it is also called as a vinyl cyanide, are produced in Yarn Valley. That is the major important. Next one, principally for the production of nitrile rubber or vinyl rubber, that is also called as a synthetic textiles. It is used in the textile industries. That is the cyanides and isocyanate. That is the major importance of uses. That is the cyanides and isocyanate. This chapter is closed. Organic compounding and nitrogen. That is the 4 marks question. The nitrogen atom containing the organic compound, the major product. That is the lesson is the over. Next syllabus is the haloalkanes and haloherenes. Next class discussion.